guys, my name is Alicia. I'm a facility attendant here at Gilmore Community Center. Today I'm going to be showing you a DIY on how to make sensory bottles. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay guys, for this project you're going to need an empty jar or empty water bottle, clear glue. I'm going to use star beads, but you can use any type of beads that you would like, any color glitter, as well as a cup of water. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and open up our jars or bottles. We're going to fill it halfway up with water. Next, you're going to add in your beads. And you're going to add in your glitter. Not that much, I would say about a good teaspoon or a tablespoon. And then you're going to fill the remainder of the jar with glue. Once you have finished that, you are going to make sure that you put the top back on. Make sure that you twist it on really tight. Give it a good shake. And there's your sensory bottle.